Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing an Ipsy versus
Ipsy
mother-daughter edition. We'll see how different our bags are. For those of you that don't know, Ipsy is a monthly beauty subscription. It costs $10 a month and you get 5 or so sample size products. Yes. So if you want to see how we achieve these looks using Ipsy for the month of, actually we're late now. This was May's Ipsy. We're now into June. We didn't get our May Ipsies until really late. It was like the beginning of June when our May ones came in. So we're late, but if you want to see, let's keep on watching. Alright guys, so before we get started, we both got a couple extras in our Ipsies this month. So the first thing I got is by Sunday Riley. I seen it, I had to get it. It is the Good Genes, the lactic acid treatment. I don't know why, maybe the light's too bright. Let me fix that. There we go. Good Genes. I love this stuff. I've tried several little things of it, and anytime I can get my hands on Sunday Riley, you know I will. The next extra I got is by Wander Beauty. It is the Wanderist Seascape eyeshadow palette. You get a little mirror in there. It looks really pretty. And these are the 6 shades. They're all pretty, yeah, they all have shimmer in them except for Sand Dollar right here. So we'll see. I might play with these as we go along because this is try-on style. Her extras.
I got a Smashbox.
You gonna pull it out of the package for them?
Yeah. Wait, is there on it? It comes with this little mirror. It looks really pretty. And these are all the colors. I'll read them out. So they're here. Can you one?
We have Chandelier, Rose Plated, Ignited, Out of This World, Heat Index, Go Platinum, Social Currency, and Garnet All. I might have said those backwards. But anyways, into the bags.
The bags!
So we each have our profiles set up. I have mine set up for me, obviously. She has hers set up for her. So let's see how it kind of plays out. This is the card for this month. It is this, talking about keep your head up in the clouds, yada, yada, yada. Inside, it shows a list of everything that you received in your bag. The only thing I wish they would put in is the prices, like BoxyCharm does. Anyways, the first thing I'm pulling out, do you have your bag ready?
Yeah.
First thing I'm pulling out, I got a brush. It is a dual-ended brush from Farrah. It is green. It has been used. It is fluffy, soft, works wonderfully. What's your first thing?
My first thing is this. What is this? Facial oil. It's bright.
It's by Feel Bright, a squalene facial oil. Rosehip and avocado oil blend for all skin types. I don't know if she'll use that.
Probably not.
I might take that from her.
You have to trade me.
Okay, the next thing I'm pulling out is a Innisfree pore clearing clay mask with super volcanic clusters. I did use this once. And I really liked it. I could feel the tingling in the skin. It was definitely cleaning.
I don't know what you're talking about. So another thing is this hand cream. It says coconut milk, shea butter, 20% hand cream made in France.
Coconut and shea butter. Love the packaging on that. What does it smell like? You didn't take the safety seal off.
That's good. I feel like coconut. Hey!
Now that we have the safety seal off, it does not smell like coconut.
It does.
The next thing I'm pulling out, something I can actually put on my face. Here we go. This is by the Beauty Crop. It is a bronzer in Sardinia Sand. So I'm going to apply this bronzer, since it is the first thing I've grabbed that I'm able to. To apply it, I'm going to use this brush by Moda. It's just like a, it's supposed to be like a highlight brush, but I like it for bronzer. So, it seems to go on all right. I don't know if it's quite dark enough for me here. There's the bronzer. I think it's all right. It's could have a little bit more pigmentation to it, but it blends in quite nicely. Not too bad. That was the bronzer.
So my next thing I'm pulling out is this brush. I take it out of the package for you guys. I can. Mom can go ahead and do her next thing while I try to get this out of the package.
The next thing I see here is by Nature's Cartel. It is the multi-purpose stick in the shade Global Awakening -1 Illuminator, it says. So I'm just going to, here's the packaging. Once you pull it out, it looks to be a highlight stick. Let's give this a quick swatch. Okay, so looking at this in here, it looks really, really pink. But the moment you put it onto your hand, it looks, I don't know this light, let me see. It looks a lot more gold. You see that?
Oh wow, that's really nice. So I just got the brush out of the package. I don't know if you can see that, but I don't know what that says. What does that say, Mom?
It says Miss Glam. It's a Miss Glam brush, which we have gotten many times in Ipsy bags.
This is really
So I'm just
pretty.
putting this highlighter on the back of my hand, and with my finger, I'm just going to apply it. And I have already set my face with powders and everything, so we'll see if it moves all of that. It seems to be applying actually quite nicely.
My next thing is
Well, I apply highlighter.
this.
That's Pixie by Petra.
It's
an eyeliner.
Gold eyeliner. Of course, I'm not going to use it, so I'm going to give it to my mom here.
Okay, so that highlighter did break away the foundation on my nose. Let me get up close so that you guys can see. You can see it kind of broke the foundation and powders off of my nose here. It didn't do that so much on my cheekbone highlight. Definitely did in my nose though, so I'm gonna fix that. Alright, so I did just kind of fix up a little bit what foundation broke away on my nose. And just to add a little extra oomph to that highlight, I'm going in with my Gerard Cosmetics Star Powder in the shade Grace. Ooh. I love this company, and if you don't know, I am an affiliate, and if you use the code MINSBEAUTY at checkout, you can save 30% off.
Whoa.
So I'm just going to set this cream highlighter with this powdered highlighter.
Is it 30% off your whole purchase?
Your whole purchase. There's that highlighter. I love this star powder. So that helped that out a little bit.
So guys, this is the pencil crayon. It's rose gold. It has a green tip. I gotta do a swatch right here of it. Darn it. There it is. It's really pretty. Here, I'll do another little swatch of it. So there, guys. That's how pretty it is.
All right. Fix that light again. The last thing that I got in my Ipsy, excuse me, is by Blossom Co. Is that what this says? Blossom Compact Eyeshadow in Dusty Miller. So this is the packaging. There's the cute little pink packaging inside. Mine is falling apart. I just lost some eyeshadow on my leg. Let's give it a swatch.
Because you dropped it.
That's the color. So it looks like a really pretty gray, but actually it's a gray that has a pink shift to it. So I'm going to apply this to my eyes. So I'm going to go in right with my finger with this, just because I think that's going to be the best. I'm going to put it all over my lid. This formula isn't the most pigmented. It's swatched really well, but it doesn't want to stick to my eye the greatest, and it is giving me some fallout. Let me fix this up. Now I'm going to go in with the Wander Beauty Wondrous Seascape palette that I got as an extra. I'm going to take the shade Sand Dollar right here, and I'm just going to concentrate that into my crease. There is some kick up in this palette, as you can see. The pigmentation on this brown shade anyway seems to be quite nice. I actually really enjoy this shade as a transition shade. But to amp up this look a little bit, I'm going to go in with the shade Seafoam right here. It's like a greeny kind of shade. With my finger, I'm going to put it just directly in the center of my lid. Oh, now that shade is really pretty. As I'm going to finish touching up my look, Miss Destiny is going to use her extra palette she got from Smashbox.
So guys, I think the first color I'm going to use for the base coat would be this one. Just to put it on really fast. I'll be right back. So guys, I'm back. I got my base coat. Now the second color I'm going to use, I think would be this one right here. Either that one or that one. So yeah, I'll see you guys when I'm finished.
Alright guys, I'm going to now go in with Champagne Harbor. I'm going to put that directly in the inner portion of my eye, again just with my finger. And to finish it off, I'm going to take this amazing blue called Coastal, and I'm going to sweep that along the lower lash line. And then I'm going to go back in with a Sand Dollar, and I'm just going to blend this blue out so it's not quite as harsh.
So guys, I put the eyeshadow on. That's how it looks. I use this one right here. This one is Out of This World, I think. This is new, they say. But yeah, that's the one I use for this. Now, I'm done with these. And next thing I'm going to do is, so the last thing in my bag is this lipstick. It's by
Buxom. It's a Buxom lip gloss. Looks like it has sparkles in it.
It's really pretty. So I'm gonna pause the thing.
We all know that we like Buxom. She doesn't need to pause it. Go put it on.
Oh.
I'm just going under my brow bone with my Gerard Cosmetics Star Powder in the shade Grace. And then I'm going to quickly jump off and do my liner and lashes. And we'll both be back after that. And the eyes are done. We both put on some lashes and liner, and I have a second little midget. Anyways, coming up behind me. To finish my look off, I'm going to also use her Buxom lip gloss here. And throw that on. Alright guys, so here's the final look. We'll both get up close.
Charlie, stop.
All in all, you know, I'm mostly excited for the Sunday Riley Good jeans. The beauty crop was okay. This eyeshadow is...
That's mine.
And yes. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. And if you want to be notified, you know you gotta hit the bell.